Beautiful blue kitchen cabinet ideas. Shaker cabinets are a flexible style that works in both contemporary and traditional homes. The ones from this bright kitchen by the Shaker Kitchen Company come in coordinating shades of pale blue. The result is a cooking space that feels fresh, uplifting, and timeless. The idea behind this historic row house remodel by White Arrow was to create a fresh and contemporary vibe without sacrificing the home's vintage charm. The deep blue cabinets and copper fixtures did the trick for the kitchen. Together, they have an ageless feel that pays homage to the home's original interior. When it comes to practical design, a white kitchen will surely stand the test of time. But if you're looking to break up the monotony, consider adding a blue kitchen island. The deep blue island in this Connecticut farmhouse remodeled by Chongo and Company gives some interest and contrast to the predominantly white kitchen. For a more consistent look, consider disguising your kitchen appliances with custom cabinet panels. In this elegant cooking space designed by Merriweather Inc., several panels are covering the appliances, including the fridge, to maintain the uniformity of the beautiful blue cabinets. Gorgeous gold details give these custom blue cabinets by Naked Kitchens a chic and eclectic vibe. The flat front cabinetry blends seamlessly with the rest of the room, and the simplicity of the design prevents the color from becoming overwhelming. This highly personalized eat-in kitchen by 12 Chairs Boston is bursting with color. The Turquoise Kitchen cabinets are both fun and sophisticated, and they perfectly coordinate with the cute banquet bench in the breakfast nook. Plus, beautiful stems and branches add a blast of greenery. What's black and blue and impossibly chic all over? This gorgeous Butler's Pantry by Coates Homes. Black subway tile stylishly coordinates with the dark blue kitchen cabinets. And the light countertop prevents the room from becoming too dark. This custom kitchen by Mustard Architects was designed to show off the homeowner's eclectic dishware collection. The base cabinets were painted a dark charcoal blue to draw the eyes up toward the natural wood display cupboards. The deep blue helps to calm some of the visual business. Wall-to-ceiling storage can still be fashionable, as seen in this apartment kitchen from Fantastic Frank. The laminate cabinet panels are simple and easy to clean, and their icy blue color gives them just enough of a pop of design. The right shade of blue can instantly perk up a tired kitchen. Both the walls and cabinets in this Turquoise Kitchen, designed by Chad McPhail Design, are bursting with vibrant color. Even though the color is bold, the simplicity of the kitchen design, including the open wood shelving, stops it from becoming overpowering. When done right, a monochromatic palette can make any room impossibly chic. Except for the butcher block countertop and wood flooring, all the features in this kitchen by Copenhagen's Mobelsnedkerij are an elegant shade of blue. Any home chef would love to cook in this classic kitchen by Blake's London. The room features cabinets in 2 different shades with a counter-to-ceiling subway tile wall. The clean lines help all the features flow together for one cohesive look. If you crave color and texture in your kitchen, you'll love these panels designed to update mass-produced furniture. The blue cabinet panels used in this home sold by Entrance McClary are by Super Fronts. The company sells stylish components that fit many popular cabinets and sideboards from IKEA. The only thing we love more than the bold navy blue cabinets in this gorgeous kitchen by Matters of Space is the encaustic tile floor. These tiles have their colorful patterns baked in, so you never have to worry about them fading. A smart configuration of stylish blue cabinetry makes the most of the small square footage in this cottage kitchen featured on Live at Hema. The tall wall cupboards and white subway tile help to draw the eyes up, making the space feel larger. And the dusty blue color gives a personalized touch to the kitchen. This design by Deval Kitchens welcomes you to the dark side with midnight blue cabinets. The metallic accents and appliances add a little sparkle to the elegant cooking space. And the white countertops, sink, and trim help to give the room definition. If you're concerned you'll get sick of blue kitchen cabinets, go for a tone that's on the neutral side. The gray-blue cupboards in this farmhouse-inspired kitchen by Studio McGee have a timeless feel. And the rustic walnut shelving brings texture and warmth. Tiffany blue is the star of this charming kitchen in a 1920s bungalow updated by Glamour Nest. Nope, that isn't new cabinetry. Instead, the designer revived the home's decades-old cabinets with new hardware and a couple coats of paint. The stove in this cooking space is also one of the abode's original features. This kitchen by Blake's London packs a delicious mashup of materials. The handle-free base cabinets are covered with rustic wood panels, and the shaker-style upper cupboards are painted a chic shade of blue and lined with glossy subway tile. The sleek backsplash and countertop are both Carrara marble. All the elements beautifully complement each other, resulting in a super stylish cooking space. Navy blue cabinets add zing to this small apartment kitchen featured on Historiska Hem. The cute cutouts eliminate the need for pricey knobs and allow the cabinets to keep the spotlight. If you want to DIY this design, you'll need a power tool called a router. Anyone can spruce up old wood cabinetry with a few coats of paint. The cupboards in this New York City loft renovated by Space Exploration Design were treated to a shade called Hague Blue by Farrow & Ball. Round wood cabinet knobs add retro flair for a fraction of the cost of metal hardware. And handcrafted ceramic tiles bring brightness and texture to the room. An electric shade of blue brings out the beauty of the timber countertop and redwood-wrapped vent hood in this contemporary kitchen designed by C2 Architecture. The reclaimed redwood came from locally sourced wooden water tanks, giving organic balance to an otherwise sleek and modern design. For a modern look that will stay fresh for years to come, don't be afraid to add a unique cabinet color to the mix in your kitchen. In this Swedish apartment sold by Entrance McClary, navy cabinetry pairs beautifully with the minty blue cupboards on the left. And the leather cabinet pulls at a chic, relaxed vibe. Here's a vintage-inspired cooking space that features a colorful Fiestaware collection displayed on the open shelving above the deep blue cabinetry. Marble counters and white subway tile keep this older home's kitchen, which was remodeled by Archiform, from feeling too retro. The owner of this house located in a small mountain town wanted a modern, bright kitchen that echoed its rural landscape. So the lower cabinets were painted a soft shade by Benjamin Moore called Van Cortlandt Blue to set the rustic tone. The color brings out the beauty of all the farmhouse-inspired features, especially the rustic beams, in the cooking space designed by Becky Owens. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.